Hi, this is Jacob, the locksmith. We're here to rekey a house. The guy left me the keys right here. And we're going to rekey 4 locks. I'm only going to show you probably one, but we'll see how it's done. We'll see you inside. Okay, we're inside. Now we've got our key. It's right here. That's going to be the different one. So we're going to make sure that it doesn't work inside the cylinder. Because if it doesn't work, that means it's going to be a different configuration. So what rekeying is, and why people ask for it, is that they want to change their hardware. So they want to have a different key for a different tenant so that the previous tenant or the previous owner can't access the property. So we're good to go. These are different. Now we're going to make copies of this when we're done. Well, first, to get this off, I don't even have to unscrew this. The trick is to find that pinhole and stick her right in there, and it will pop right out. It will pop right out, like so. It will come out like that. Pull her out. Like that. Take the old key, working key, the existing key, turn it a little bit horizontally, and then you'll have to get one of these tools. It's a follower. They have little ridges here, so you're gonna openings here. So be careful that the pins won't fall out. You don't want this to go out like this, otherwise the pin will fall out. So you're gonna do it with a flat edge, straight out. That keeps the top pins in place. On a rekey, all you're doing is changing the bottom pins. These are the bottom pins. They go to the trash. Make sure there are no pins in there. Take the new key and decode this, because some of them have codes. This one does not, so we'll have to decode this. This is the decoding tool I bought on Amazon. And basically you got Quickset, Schlage, Weiser, Westlock. This is a Defiant lock. That means it's a Quickset keyway. So we're gonna use the Quickset. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna decode whatever number it goes past, which is gonna be the first one is 3. There are 5 total on a regular one. So we got 3, 2, 5, 3, and 1. Now we know our code. Now we're ready for rekeying. And this is a rekeying kit I made from MedMinders. I bought this at Walgreens or CVS, I don't know. And we just marked the numbers. These are the numbers of the pins, but basically you have 6 for Quickset normally. So you got 171, 195. So we got 3, 2, 5, 3, 1. So this one would be my 3rd. 2, 5, 5, 3, 1. And make sure that the pin, see they come with an arrow. It's kind of hard to see. That arrow needs to be pointing down. Do not put the arrows pointing up, they will screw up that lock. Now we want to put it back in. Make sure that it is flat. Here it's a flat surface. No grooves inside, not protruding upwards either. So now we're going to slide her in. We're gonna take our handy dandy washer that came with it. I turned it to the side so that it was on the way it was. And I take my cylinder removal tool, bam! It's in. we have successfully rekeyed this. So now the old key will not work. We're just gonna put this back together and test it out on the door. We'll test it out on the door. We'll lock it from the inside. So this door is locked. Try the old key. This old key should not work. It will not turn the cylinder. New key, gold. And voila, we had changed the cylinder. Beautiful, rekey finished.